Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook okra and make a quick and easy dish. Now okra gets a bad rap for being slimy when it's cooked, but after watching this, you'll see it's not always the case. There are a few different varieties of okra, but we're going to use Heirloom Burgundy and Clemson Spineless, both of which I got from Hungry Gardens in Los Angeles. Okra is rich in vitamin A and C. It's also a good source of magnesium, folate, and antioxidants. This is seasoning celery. The leaves look like parsley leaves and the stalks don't get big like traditional celery, but it packs a ton of intense flavor. Think of celery seasoning, but in a green vegetable. We just want to pick the leaves and cut the stalks in about 1-inch pieces. And then we can cut our red peppers, chop our garlic, cut our bell peppers, and then thinly slice our shallots. With our pan on medium-high heat, we can add our olive oil, and then we're going to put our okra cut side down. The trick to making okra not slimy when it's cooked is to cook it on high heat quickly. Once our okra is golden brown, we're going to cook it for 1 minute on the other side and then take it out of the pan. Now we want to add in our garlic over medium heat with some olive oil. Mix this around until it starts to turn golden brown. Add in our Fresno chilies. Add in our bell peppers and our celery. We want to cook this pretty quickly, so just toss it a few times and make sure it's nice and crispy. Make sure we season with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Now we can add our okra back to the pan, and then we're going to squeeze some fresh lime juice in. The lime juice is going to help cut that sliminess from the okra. And for some extra flavor, we're going to throw in cilantro leaves. This is a great dish to eat by itself or with grilled fish, shrimp, or chicken. The okra has a crunchy, creamy texture, and there's a bit of spice, and a lime juice just enhances everything. Thanks for watching my video on how to cook okra. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite way to cook okra is. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.